Welcome to My Tax Prep Office. In this video, you will learn how to file a new federal extension. Let's get started. From the dashboard, in the Recent Returns widget, click on New Federal Extension. From the New Extension screen, select Extension Type from the drop-down menu. Select 4868 for individual returns, or 7004 for business and other returns. For this example, we selected 4868. Next, enter your client's Social Security number, then first name and last name, then select Forms mode. The Form 4868 in the Return workspace will be displayed. Complete the required and other applicable information. Click on the Extension Information button to check if a state extension needs to be filed. Navigate to the e-file summary and enter the signature date. If your client is making a payment with their extension, enter their bank account information and complete the payment form. When you are ready to e-file, click the e-file button, then click Transmit Return. Select the Federal checkbox and state if applicable, then click Send. Your client's extension will be transmitted to the IRS. In the return list, extension will be listed as a subtype for all extensions filed for your clients. You will need to start a new return when you are ready to file your client's tax return. This completes the training video on how to file a new federal extension. If you have additional questions, please visit the Solution Center. Thank you for watching.